Welcome to my class. Today we will start. As you see that I have written genetics, inheritance and variation. In class 12th, the genetics is the second unit of genetics comprising of 3 chapters. Genetics is a very vast. So we'll start. I thought that it will start it step by step. So today I am taking a very small topic in there, contribution of Mendel's and what work he had done. And these terms we want to explain that these terms, what is inheritance, what is variation and what is genetics, right? So chalo shuru karte hain. Now the first of all we see that inheritance, and you have seen number of times we have got all brothers sisters are there, and तुमने सुना होगा कभी कि आपको किसी ने कहा कि आपकी शक्ल तो मम्मी से मिलती है, आपकी शक्ल तो पापा से मिलती है, या आपकी आई जैसी है, या आपकी हाइट दादा पे गई है, या किस मतलब नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स यू हैव हर्ड दिस वन, right? So then that it means it is correct, then you are getting those characters, whether it will be height, skin color, hair color, whatever you are getting from your parents, right? So these characters which we are getting from parents, it means these characters are transferring from parents to children, or we can say that the transfer or inheritance transfer of characters from parents to progeny. That term is called inheritance. When we want to this one, that is transfer of characters from parents to progeny, right? Progeny means you can say the transfer of characters from parents or from one generation to another generation, right? Means from one generation to another generation. So this is called inheritance, right? Inheritance transfer, or you can say the characters are inherited. Characters are inherited from parents to progeny. Is that clear? That inheritance means transfer of characters from one parents to progeny, or you can say from one generation to another, right? Now the second is variations. What are variations? Now then again you see that you are brothers sisters are there. Suppose one couple has 4 children, right? 4 children, and all those siblings they are different from each other, means they have got some differences. While the parents, they have received their characters, or the characters are transferred from their parents. Parents are same, but still those are having differences. Means those are not ditto same. Means easily because of those differences we can recognize. हम उनको पहचान सकते हैं कि ये वो है. The names are there. That means those characters are enable us to identify. So these characters which are differ from each other, or that differences, you can say differences among siblings of the same parent, is called variation, right? Differences occurs in siblings or in progeny of same generation, right? I think it is clear now. Inheritance, transfer of characters from one generation to another generation, and differences, variations means differences. Differences occurs in the progeny, in the same generation, the siblings of the same generation having some differences. They are not exactly same, and now those are different from each other, and because of those differences, or those differences are called variations, and those variations enable us to identify them. So now then, along with all together this inheritance and variation, that branch of biology in which we study or we deal with that inheritance, we deal with the inheritance and variation. It's called genetics. I have closed this one because genetics is the study of inheritance and variation. This is called genetics, right? So now then this genetics, that is very vast. So then we were taking this. First of all, we'll know that who is the father of genetics, who had done a lot of work in this field, in genetic field. So we see that father of genetics, who is known as father of genetics, that Gregor John Mendel. His name, father of genetics, Gregor John Mendel. That father. John Mendel. Right? Now, because he had done lot of work in this field, because of that, but tragedy is there. ये उनकी लाइफ की सबसे बड़ी त्रासदी थी क्या, क्योंकि उनको जो काम उन्होंने किया अपनी लाइफ टाइम में, हिज वर्क वाज नॉट रिकॉग्नाइज्ड. नोबडी वाज रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट दैट वन व्हाट ही हैड डन. दैट इज ही वाज नॉट गेटिंग, he couldn't get any recognition or work. His work was not noticed. उनके काम को किसी ने जाना ही नहीं जब तक वो जिंदा रहे. तो बर्थ, उनका जन्म हुआ कब? बर्थ ईयर 1822 and July 22nd. Now then death year, that is 1884. These two, in his lifetime, his work was not recognized. जबकि उन्होंने बहुत काम किया लेकिन किसी ने उनको जाना नहीं, किसी ने उनको, why it is so, the reason for this. So because of this one, after his death, 1884, he died. Now after 16 years after, his work was recognized. 16 years after, in 1900, his work was recognized. So it is very that is very tragic for him. He was not aware about that, what he had done. Then now till date, what work he had done, that what laws he had given, it is applicable till date also. So now then is a great contribution in this field. So now then we will see what are the reasons why his work was not recognized at that time, and after that why his work was recognized. So now we will see first of all the reasons for unrecognition of his work. The reasons why Mendel's work, क्यों मेंडल के काम को नहीं सबने नोटिस किया, क्या रीजन थे. तो they will see that reasons are there. You know, Mendel was not biologist, he was mathematician. So because of that, he had given his observations in statistical way, or logics he had given, mathematical logic he had given. So now then, that mathematics, but he had done a lot of work in Pisum sativa. He was mathematician, and monk. He did his lot of experiment. He did experiments on Pisum sativum. That is a scientific name. Local is a garden pea. The reason is there again कि why he had chosen that garden pea. We'll tell you later. First of all, we'll tell why his work. उनके काम को क्यों नहीं लोगों ने, biologist ने माना, accept किया, what theory he had given, what laws he had given. So then the first reason is there, reasons for unrecognition, reasons for unrecognition of his work. Unrecognition of his work. What are those reasons? So see first one. The first one is there, lack of communication. Lack of communication. Why it is? Like, you know, nowadays, as you know that everyone is nowadays, the generation is very much aware about this social media, right? Number of means of spreading that news. Very small news is there, that means a viral video is becoming viral daily. Nowadays also you see that, but at the time that was nothing is there. Such type of means of communication, nothing. Only there are that time there are two papers were there. One is a local level journal, and other was an international journal. He published his observations, whatever his work he had done, or experiments he had done, and he had published in that local journal. So that was not reached. That will be that what observation he had given, published, that will only limited number of biologists. कुछ ही लोगों तक पहुंची, जो जिनके पास वो जर्नल पहुंचा उन लोगों ने देखा. मीन्स दूर दूर के लोगों का इंटरनेशनल लेवल में इट वॉज नॉट रिकॉग्नाइज्ड बिकॉज नोबडी नोज अबाउट दैट कि व्हाट ही हैड डन, what Mendel was, what observations were here, findings you can say regarding garden pea plant. So now that because of one of the major reason for unrecognition of his work, that is lack of communication. Second, when we see that the second reason is there. And when we talk about the second reason, that is Mendel had, I will tell you the laws of inheritance, which Mendel has given. We see Mendel had told, and when after the number of experiments he had done in pea plant, then he had told about that something is there, some units are there which are responsible for carrying these traits and characters which we are receiving from parents. That will be from parents to progeny. As it inheritance means that will be that something is there which will be responsible for these inheritance of characters, or that Mendel had told traits, not characters. So now then, what are that? So then that name he had given, Mendel had given that name, that is factor. Factors were responsible for inheritance. Why it is so? Why it is so? That because at the time very elementary inventions in the field of microscope, and there's no idea of chromosome, nucleus, DNA, gene, no idea at the time. So then Mendel was not able to show any proof. Means he had told factors are responsible for inheritance. He had given the mathematical analysis also, and then everything is given, but no proof is there, without any evidence. So now then, no evidence for these factors which he had told. So लोगों ने माना ही नहीं, साइंटिस्ट बायोलॉजिस्ट ने, उस टाइम के बायोलॉजिस्ट ने कोई माना नहीं कि क्या है, जब कुछ पता ही नहीं है तो ये टोल्ड कैसे बोल रहा है. सो देन इसका काम भी नहीं हुआ. थर्ड रीजन इज देयर. थर्ड व्हाट ही हैड टोल्ड, as I already told that Mendel was mathematician. So whatever observations he had, findings of that in garden pea plant, जो उन्होंने garden pea plant में किया, वो सब observation को उन्होंने mathematical ratio में दिया. Means all observations he had given in mathematical ratios. So now then, as you know that at the time biologists were having a problem. How the mathematics will be involved in biology? Means no one was ready to accept that one, कि mathematics can be used in biofield. So that's why that is also the one of the reason for unrecognition of his work. So that is how mathematics involved in biology. So biologists were not accepted. Not accepted by biologists. Then biologists. तब के बायोलॉजिस्ट ने किसी ने भी उनकी बात को नहीं माना. उन्होंने कहा बायोलॉजी में तो मैथ आ ही नहीं सकती, तो कुछ काम ही नहीं हुआ. तो देन उनका वर्क पूरे लाइफ टाइम में इट वाज नॉट रिकॉग्नाइज. इट इज़ अ ट्रेजेडी. बट इन आफ्टर 16 years आफ्टर 1900 में हिज वर्क वॉज रीडिस्कवर्ड. Whatever Mendel had done, rediscovered of his work, unrecognized, जो पहले किसी ने माना ही नहीं उनको. Because why it is so? Because at the time, then microscope was invented, chromosome was in picture, then DNA is in picture. So at the time, then 3 biologists were there. Those biologists were, one was the D. Varese, second one Correns, third one von Teschmark, TSCH, or Schemark also, you can say Schemark. Means there were 3 scientists, biologists, D. Varese, Correns, von Schemark. These 3 scientists together, he had rediscovered of his work. So what he had found there? He had found that what Mendel had told factors, Now that is genes. Means now then after rediscovery, then factors will be genes. And Mendel said told traits. Means factors are carrying traits. He had told this one. So now then, this time we are calling it, now we are calling it characteristics. Means after his death, he had, means his work was found that was 100% correct till date, or whatever the laws given by Mendel applicable till now. We are using that one. We will see then when we will move forward, we will see then how it will be. So then means after the gene and genes were there, DNA is there. At the time that factors, which Mendel told factors carrying traits from parent to progeny, from one generation to another generation. Now here, that now after this DNA or gene, genes are carrying characteristics from one generation to another generation. Means only name has been changed. Only names are changed. Factors change into genes. Traits change into characteristics. The same means whatever they had given findings and whatever observations given, that same. Genes are responsible for characteristics. Mendel had told factors are responsible for inheritance. Here genes are responsible for inheritance. So only that when the old one, only that change is there. Otherwise, all whatever the findings, observations in garden pea plant, what he had given, that is same. So now then, after his work, these three biologists, he had worked and then he had found Mendel was correct, right? So the success of Mendel, why his work was successful now then? क्यों हम कह रहे हैं कि अभी तक उसकी उनकी जो बातें थी वो अभी तक we are following that one, that all those laws are applicable. Why we are saying it? Because first of all, that he had done in garden pea plant. In garden pea plant he had taken contrast characteristics. Contrast characteristics he had taken. Means he had taken tall plant and short plant. ये tall plant or dwarf plant, right? But they're not taking tall and taller. Here this clear idea is that clear cut is that is tall plant, that is small plant. Or you can say when we are saying purple flower and white flower. Purple flower and white flower, that is opposite contrast. Flowers are there, but one is a purple. You can say also the purple, dark purple, light purple. It will be my individual perception will be there. मतलब मुझे लगता है कि जो पर्पल कलर लाइट पर्पल है वो भी पर्पल है और जो डार्क पर्पल है वो भी पर्पल है. इट नो एम्बिग्यूटी इज देयर इन दैट Mendel's work. Mendel had given purple and white. Purple is purple for all, white is white for all. Means there is no confusion, no ambiguity. So now then the contrast characteristic he had taken. So that is one is the one reason the success of the Mendel work. Why? Second one, he had given what? Statistical analysis and mathematical logic. Means second, statistical analysis and mathematical logic given. Means whatever he had told, that is mathematically it is correct. So then he had given that ratios are given and that is correct. So now then it is also the success for that कि Mendel ने जो किया वो बिल्कुल सही किया. Now then third reason is also we can say that is he had chosen that pea plant. He had got the number of plants are there, number of generation, means that progenies are number of, a large number of progeny, huge number of progeny they have got. So what will happen there in that case? जब हमने जब ज़्यादा लिया तो large sample size means large sample size means when we have got suppose tall plants are getting, so only you have taken 100 plants are there, 150 plants are tall maybe, or 75 plants are tall. So now then what will be there? That is not means we cannot applicable, we cannot find that is correct. Means when we have got thousands of plants are there, and in that we see that how many are tall, means large number of samples, and then we are doing that one. As you know, nowadays vaccines are there. तो वैक्सीन are 3 steps we are testing is there. वैक्सीन के 3 फर्स्ट स्टेप में कुछ वॉलंटियर्स को लिया, फिर थोड़े और वॉलंटियर्स को दिया, फिर जनरल उसमें मीन्स when we are using or testing that vaccine in large number, so then we will see कि the large number में जो observation लिखी करेक्ट है, कितने लोगों को फिट आई, कितने लोगों को नहीं आई, सूट की कि नहीं की, तो वो उसके लिए हमने तब फिक्स किया कि नहीं, दैट वैक्सीन इज we can use that one. The same here in the pea plant, they have got a large number of plants are there, large number of the large sample size, so that it was easy for giving the any conclusion for that, right? So these three regions are there. These 3 points are making Mendel's work successful, and so that we are saying that till date it is applicable. Okay, is that clear? So now then one more is there. Last point we will discuss here, and next we will take that in next video. Now then that is why Mendel chose pea plant, garden pea plant. Only 4 regions are there. That will be why the regions for selecting Pisum sativum. Why that one? First one is there. Regions for selecting pea plant, or you can say Pisum sativum. First one is there, as I told in that success of that Mendel's work, the one of the regions is a large sample size. So then we are getting, in a very short period, we are getting more, means lifespan, short lifespan you can say. In a very short period of time, we are getting large number of plants, a progeny. So now then that is one of the region. Second region is there, that is variety of characteristics. A number of characters are there, means characteristics, large number of characteristics you can say, or variety, you can say variety. I can write here variety, means we have got tall plant, dwarf plant, we have got flower color means purple and white, and seed pod color, seed shape and size, seed color and shape, means all these are the number of characters are there, on the basis of these characters Mendel has did experiment, and then he observed, he had given their experiment, and easily, it can be easily grown. Easily it can be grown where, because that is in the kitchen garden. He had used kitchen garden, and then he had done in pea plant. बहुत छोटे से एरिया में उन्होंने pea plant की वैरायटी ली और easily क्रॉस कराया. It will be means that can be self cross also, self or cross. Means self pollination and cross pollination both can be there. Pollination, self pollination or cross pollination can be occurred. One of this region also. Now then one more is there, that is easily grown. Because of these, Mendel chose that pea plant, that is a appropriate plant, the suitable plant for his experiments, and he had done that one. And then all those observations whatever given by Mendel only for the regard with pea plant. Okay, so now till now only up to this. Now then in next video I will show you the important terms, right? Whatever terms are used in this unit in genetics, I will tell you. Then first of all, then we will start topic wise. Okay, so till you will enjoy that, watch the video. Okay.